Alright, so we got Mario in here, my softball superstar. Y'all gonna see on TV. But we got her Dodge Ram on here. What is it, 02?
It's 03.
03 Dodge Ram 1500. Tell her what you got on here, Mario. We did actually spindle lift on the front of this as well. 4.5 on here. Tell her what you're running, Mario.
I'm running 20 by 12, I believe. Mono metal with the single rubber lights.
As you can see, the Dodge getting out of here. Super loud.
And I believe I got True Dual.
Got True Duals on there. Flow Masters. She sound good too.
And back stock. Nothing on the back.
We took the had step sides on here. We took them off. Mario wanted them off so she could jump on in. But yeah, looking good. She actually put the grill back on. New grill. Oh yeah. So Mario, you got your Instagram on here?
Yeah. It's Mari.Stevens_.
Y'all check her out on Instagram. Show us some love on there. All right, we about it. Burnham Motorsports. Y'all have a good one.